This is Berk. It's 12 days north of hopeless and a few degrees south of freezing to death. It's located solidly on the meridian of misery. My village. In a word, sturdy. And it's been here for 7 generations, but every single building is new. We have fishing, hunting, and a charming view of the sunsets. The only problems are the pests. You see, most places have mice or mosquitoes. We have dragons. This is Berk. It snows 9 months of the year and hails the other 3. Any food that grows here is tough and tasteless. The people that grow here are even more so. The only upsides are the pets. While other places have ponies or parrots, we have dragons. Winter in Berk lasts most of the year. It hangs on with both hands and won't let go. And the only real comforts against the cold are those you keep close to your heart. Give me a better one. This is Berk. The best kept secret this side of, well, anywhere. Granted, it may not look like much, but this wet heap of rock packs more than a few surprises. Life here is amazing, just not for the faint of heart. You see, where most folks enjoy hobbies like whittling or needlepoint, we Berkians prefer a little something we like to call dragon racing. This is Berk. A bit trampled and busted and covered in ice, but it's home. It's our home. Those who attacked us are relentless and crazy. But those who stopped them? Oh, even more so. We may be small in numbers, but we stand for something bigger than anything the world can pit against us. We are the voice of peace. And bit by bit, we will change this world. You see, we have something they don't. Oh, sure, they have armies, and they have armadas, but we have our dragons! This is Berk. Your new home away from home. A stunning, one-stop, all-expense-paid dream destination. So settle in and let your worries melt away. The service here soars, the cuisine's fiery, and the locals are as colorful as you get. Any run-of-the-mill paradise boasts beaches and sunshine. Well, not us. We've got something no one else can touch. We, my friend, have dragons. Lots and lots of dragons. Legend says that when the ground quakes or lava spews from the earth, it's the dragons, letting us know they're still waiting for us to figure out how to get along. The world believes the dragons are gone, if they ever existed at all. But we Berkians, we know otherwise. And we'll guard the secret until the time comes when dragons can return in peace.